Hi, my name is Mark Despars with Cassida, and today we are answering the internet's most searched questions about bill counters. What is a bill counter? A bill counter is a machine that simplifies a person's life, anyone that counts bills in large quantities. Bill counters save time and money, allowing the managers to spend more time in their location rather than counting the cash. How to use a bill counter? To use a bill counter, you only need three things: electricity, the bill counter, and the cash you want to count. It's that easy. Does a bill counter have counterfeit detection? Yes, bill counters use magnetic, infrared, and ultraviolet sensors to help detect counterfeit bills. Where can you buy a bill counter? We have many retail partners that carry our products, including Amazon.com, Staples, Sears, Walmart, Dunbar Security Products, and more. Do you need to clean the bill counter? Yes. To prevent the bill counter from not working properly, you need to clean it at least every few months. We have cleaning videos for many different models of our Cassida bill counters, and you can go check them out on our YouTube channel. How to repair a bill counter. We have a dedicated support team, so you can either give us a call or go to our website at CassidaUSA.com/support. What counters do banks use? Banks do not use simple bill counters. They use discriminators like the 8800R right here. But keep in mind that because discriminators are more advanced than simple bill counters, they are also more expensive. What's the difference between a simple bill counter and a discriminator? The main difference is that a discriminator can detect the value of mixed bills. In comparison, simple bill counters need to count the value of each denomination. Bill counters only count the notes, and you need to tell it which denomination is being counted. Let me show you the difference. So the simple bill counter is just going to count the number of the bills. So as you can see, there's 115 bills. Now the discriminator is also going to count the bills, and it's going to give me the value. So as you can see, there's 115 bills, and there's a value of $27.40. So the good thing about the 6600 model is it has a value count feature. Now you do have to separate the bills like I have them here, but it will count them for you. So now I have to make it so it knows it's the twos. So now I'll go to the fives. Then I'll do the tens. Now the 20s. We don't have any 50s, so we're going to go twice to the hundreds. And as you can see, the value is $27.40 again. So you can see the discriminator is a lot easier to use, but it is more expensive. So it just depends on what your budget is. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe for more content on cash handling equipment from Cassida. Bye.